house again. So I took the fender off. The one was all dented and rusted, which gives me a nice, better look at the rust, which there really isn't any. See a little bit of surface rust down here. Nothing too bad. Everything looks pretty solid. I'll tell you, the bolts are coming out pretty easily. All things considered, they actually turn so easily I thought I didn't have the wrench on them properly. But yeah, looks pretty good. Nothing new to report. I took part of the lower, I don't know, I guess the mounts, whatever the front part of the lower turn signal is. Took that off. A bit of surface rust, but nothing that goes through. This was all bent, curled up. Obviously somebody kicked it or hit a curb or something, so I quick bent it out, shaped that up, and this piece is pretty good. Well, a bit of a dent down here. That'll need to be worked. But yeah, all things looking pretty good. Here's the fender. You can see it's solid on the inside. Kind of hard to tell through here. There's all this. Found a wasp's nest. That was cool. Yeah, so get the snot out of this and try and make it nice and flat. Oops, turn it the other way. Those dents aren't horrible, but it's going to be a good bit of work. So, anyway, just thought I'd give a quick update. And I will keep pressing on.